that their tattoo removed. So if you are going to be removing your tattoo, instead of it to leave you with a dry or scar, please remember to apply your coconut oil. It works. So guys, you can see it's not joke. I don't know what they put inside. It's not easy. You can see guys, it's not easy. I don't know what they put inside this their temporary tattoo, guys. Consistency, you keep it could. Hello friends, you're welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much guys for watching. If today's your first time of seeing this video, hello, my name is Becky. Thank you so much guys for watching today's video. Guys, I want to show you, and I'm going to show you how I remove my own tattoo. As you can see, love deep. Okay, love is deep. Love is sometimes dangerous. As you can see the edge and the edge there, and you can see deep. So guys, I'm going to share with you how you can get rid of the tattoo. Guys, this tattoo is called temporary for summer. A lot of people make this tattoo here during summer, especially teenager, especially some parent that doesn't want to go to some people that doesn't really like tattoo, but they just want to have experience of tattoo. So I've had this now for 3 months. So before it got faded, if I want to remove it as well, I have to use 10 euro to remove it. But I told the man I'm going to remove my own. I'm not coming back anyway. So I want to prove him wrong. Then I'm going to go and show him that, look, I removed this. So guys, and I've got a remedy how you can make your own temporary tattoo. This tattoo could last 1 year, some 6 months. I think the way I'm looking at it, this could last 6 months or 1 year. So I used to do this often during summers, especially my neck, my back. So I deliberately put it here so that I'll show you guys. So many people have temporary tattoo that some can pay 10 to 15 euro to remove it. Some country 20 euro. Here in Ireland, to remove your temporary tattoo costs 10 euro. It depends the counting. So I'm not paying 10 euro to remove this. I use money to put it there. I'm not using money to remove it. So guys, I want to show you, if you're outside there, you have your temporary tattoo and you are going to spend 10 to 20 euro to remove it, you can sit and watch this video. I'm going to show you the miracle, what they have inside their lotion, what they have inside that container that they pretend that is something else, which I don't know, which I've already know what is inside the container they used to spray and remove. 10 euro just like that. So I'm going to share with you guys how you could remove your temporary tattoo with patience, and off you go. You don't need to do it 3 times. You're gonna remove it that very day. So guys, if you are the type of person, you have temporary tattoo, or you have a tattoo that you are struggling with to remove, this could help as well. Consistency is the key. You keep doing it, you keep applying 2 times or once in a week. And guys, I want to tell you, who have tattoo and you are trying to remove it, guys, you really have to use coconut oil. Coconut oil is very good, especially the organic one, to remove and to moisture the tattoo. When you use any solution in my platform here to remove your tattoo, please get any brand of coconut oil. Alright, apply after washing or rinsing. Apply coconut oil, not your own moisturizer. Coconut oil, not cocoa butter or coconut oil. It will pseudo, it will get rid of the scalp. Okay, I get a lot of female that the tattoo removed, but it left them with scalp. So in order to avoid that, when you are using any of my remedy on my channel, please apply coconut oil, organic one, not oil. All right, so let's dive to my remedy today. Any cotton clothes of your choice, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of baking soda, brown of your choice as well. Okay, for the vinegar we need teaspoon of vinegar. So this is what they'll be using to collect sugars. 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. So until you get the paste, this is what I really want, until when it turns to like ice cream or like paste, like toothpaste, like paste. You can see guys, it look like paste. Anything, you can see the consistency. This is the consistency you need to remove your any tattoo, temporary tattoo, 1 year tattoo, permanent tattoo. Consistency is the key. So I'm going to show you this, my temporary tattoo. I'm gonna show you how I'm going to remove it. I'm not going to pay 10 euro. So guys, if you have a temporary tattoo for summer, please hold on for a second. Use this remedy before you waste your money. So I'm going to remove it with this. I've tried it and it works. So guys, you can see it's not joke. I don't know what they put inside. It's not easy. You can see guys, it's not easy. I don't know what they put inside this their temporary tattoo guys. Consistency, you keep. It will take you like up to 30 minutes to remove this. They are very serious guy. The ink is not easy to remove guys, believe me. This my remedy will remove it. It's not going to be tomorrow. So guys, any tattoo is not easy to remove, any tattoo, especially the 1 year, the temporary 1 year, the one I carry myself to go and make. So guys, this is how you are going to be using it to remove your real tattoo. Guys, you can see me. I keep consistency, I keep persistence, I keep consistency. This is organic coconut solution. Guys, I don't know what type of ink these people use for temporary. Temporary should take only 10 seconds. It took me up to 30 minutes and it's not really faded, and I'm going to continue tomorrow. So in order for me to get rid of this cap, I'm going to be using coconut oil. So you rub it. It's only coconut oil you have to apply for any form of tattoo. Even by apply coconut oil every day to your tattoo, is gonna help you to get rid of tattoo. As you can see it by yourself guys, immediately I rub coconut oil, you can see the difference yourself guys. So coconut oil work effectively. Please, I recommend coconut, any brand as long as organic. Apply it after using any of my solutions to remove your tattoo. So guys, if this really helped you, I want you to share this video. Share this video. Give this my video thumbs up. Guys, click like, share the video for your friend. If you have anybody that have a temporary tattoo, then he's preparing himself to pay 10-20 euro to remove it. Share this video to that type of person to check, and it will remove freely. All you have to do to my channel, just click subscribe and share this video. By doing that, you are helping me. So guys, I will leave you with this. Stay blessed. Bye for now.